Very average. What would you like? No problem at all. Yeah. What? Combos. So you're going first, yeah?
And you can't. That's something. Alright. Always on activation. I hate when they love me that. I love Malice Whisper.
I'm going to go ahead and just end my turn. Alright.
End your turn.
I'm seriously thinking about it.
That's kind of scary though, because that means you have a lot of non-engineering.
I mean, okay, let's just do this. I'm going to start by playing my Purrely.
Sure.
I pay 500 life points and then I search 3 and you pick one.
Search 3 and then I
Yeah.
I kind of don't want to do this for my Purrely is very scary. I'll just go half.
Smash it?
Yeah.
It just negates, right?
Yeah, just negates. So it stays on. It just negates the search.
Sorry, my bad. I'm going to then pretty memory. Is that good?
Yeah, that should be good. It's a special one. Or sorry.
Special one. So I special summon Purrely Lead.
Sure.
Then I search my deck for one non-quick play spell.
Sure.
Non-quick play Purrely card. Sure. I search
Regular Purrely.
then I'm just going to normal summon.
Sure.
Then excavate.
Yep. Is it 1, right?
Yeah, well I excavate 3 and then I pick one.
Pick 1.
Let's go for Delicious.
Sure.
Then I'm going to C summon.
Yep.
C summon Duel
Sure.
onto Duel Exceeds Angel.
Okay.
Then I'm just going to discard to get a spell.
He does just search a spell.
Yeah, just search a spell.
Do you mind if I read this?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Does it have any other? Does it have if it gives 12
If
material?
it gets 10 material on it, then it wins the game, I think.
Insane for small. Okay.
Yeah, so I search Ghost Trick Shot.
Sure.
Then I use Shot just quickly to bring back Dillahan again.
Summons it?
Yeah, just summons it.
Thank you. Oh, and you can make another one of these, right? In theory.
That's crazy. That deck that was good for 1 minute.
I'll tell you, I don't use this card.
I don't know where the combo goes is my issue. So I'm not sure what to do. Okay, you know what I will do? I'm not sure what's needed. I'm just going to Nibiru you here. Because this is your 5th summon.
Is it? Okay.
It says 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you 5th summon this back, right? That's 5.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go Nibiru here.
Okay.
Which will destroy your board. And I'm going to put it in defense. So it's going to have 25% defense. These are going to get destroyed.
Okay. So these all get destroyed?
Yeah. And then I'll put it here, token.
Okay.
And then it has 2,500 defense.
Okay, so when that gets destroyed, it goes to Dillahan's effective trade.
Sure. That's all? That's about
Grab
right.
shot.
Sure.
Grab shot. That's fine.
Is this one that gets destroyed or just sent to grave?
It's just sent to grave.
Oh, okay. Because it doesn't destroy this tribute, so that's why I was asking. I'm not sure if it's sent to grave.
It's just sent to grave.
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Next, I'm going to Delicious.
Sure.
I
have no idea what I'm playing up with.
special summon.
Yeah, you're good. So which Purrely cards do you have in your grave so far?
I have
That special.
Delicious,
Oh, and then
Pretty,
Pretty.
Purrely, and Purrely.
Cool. Cool.
Then next, I'm going to
Special.
Yeah, special summon. Well, I already did that. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sure.
Then Lily to special summon.
Oh, you didn't do that the first time, right?
No, Xyz.
Yeah.
So
And you attach material, right?
I attach Pretty
Sure.
to Xyz out Beauty.
Sure.
Then with Beauty, I destroy one of my fields to
Destroy it? Oh, attach? Sure.
and then I have to reset.
Yeah, okay. You're gonna end your turn there?
Give me a second, but
Do you mind me asking, is it in this zone or this zone?
it's in the light.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and sorry. Yeah, I don't think I can do anything.
Okay, does Beauty have any effects on my turn?
I can negate one face-up monster on the field once.
Once. And then does this have anything on my turn?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, so negate anything once.
Yes.
Right. I will draw a turn.
Okay.
Stand by me face.
Okay.
Main face.
One resolution necro quick to draw.
Okay.
I will go ahead. Do you mind if I say grave?
Oh, yes.
No? Is there anything?
I don't have any grave effects that I can
Nothing right? Okay, cool. Just making sure.
Just like whatever happens when I
I'll start by normal summoning Sage.
Okay.
And activating its effect to search a level 1 light monster. Oh, I get to search first and then just bring it.
Yeah, okay, so to search, but then
No
I
problem. I can no longer search. I'll go activate maiden effect.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna place a trap. And I'm gonna place True Light.
Is that not search?
No, it places it directly from that. The field. So it's not searching. So I'm not gonna be searching.
Alright.
I'm gonna activate True Light effect to set a trap, set a spell.
Okay.
I'm gonna set Roar.
That's really cool. And I still rinse off Purrely. No, that's not.
I will activate Roar. And Roar has the effect where I can special summon a Blue Eyes from there. On the summon of Blue Eyes, I'm going to activate Maiden in my graveyard to special summon herself.
Short target.
Because I control Blue Eyes, I can special summon Neo Kaiser Seahorse. Okay. I'll activate his effect to make him level 3. He's his own set of level 4, he's level 3. Yeah?
Okay, no. I thought I wasn't playing. Effective Yama? Oh, sorry, effective.
Summon Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon.
Whatever its effect is.
Yeah, his effect is just a negate, so if you can negate it, then yeah, sure. Alright, that's cool. Kaiser Seahorse effect to send the card to grave. So I'm going to send to another maiden.
Oh, you said, yeah, continue. Continue.
It's not protected by battle or anything, right?
No.
So I'll go 1200 into this
Kill it.
Or sorry, yeah.
I'll go maiden. No effect, because I can't search. Effect to summon from grave.
Alright.
I guess I don't really have a better play. I'll enter battle.
Okay.
I'll go 3,000 here.
Okay, effect activates on destruction.
Okay, what is he doing destruction?
This adds 3 play spells from my deck, from my graveyard to my hand.
Sure. My Nibiru just comes back to my hand.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sorry. No, there you go.
Is someone from the grave only supposed to go?
Does that hit you for 3,500? Okay. Main phase 2. I will pass.
Yep. I draw.
Sure.
I'm going to start by Dark War.
I can't respond with a monster effect, right? Can I respond with a non-monster effect?
Dispatch, chain link 2 yellow.
Dark Ruler.
I think you can.
Dark Ruler. Sorry. Dark Ruler. If I go chain True Light, can I chain this into the effect?
Because it's only you cannot activate monster effects in response.
Okay, yeah.
So once he activates a trap, he's allowed to do whatever he wants. Well, you have a response to this.
Yeah, so I'm gonna activate True Light in response to this. Do you have anything to that?
I'll activate.
Sorry, and I'm gonna activate. I should declare. I'm activating the effect to set a spell trap.
Okay. Then I'm gonna activate my friend Purrely.
And then I'll go chain like 4 ultimate to negate.
Okay.
So back to this gets negated. This is gonna set, and the card I'm going to set is Wishes. Set that. And then that will resolve. And my monster
No more Toad, huh? It's a sad life.
Continue.
Continue.
Yeah,
So this goes great. Yeah, you're good.
it's okay. Baha had to pay.
It's in the grave. Do you mind if I keep it here so I remember?
Short start to pay for
Alright, then I'm going to activate Pretty Memory, but both gain 1,000. Yeah, and I discard one to special summon one Purrely.
Does this card for cost?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So then summons from deck?
Yeah.
I am going to. So you discard for cost. You discarding that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask.
Okay. I guess I'll probably I'm forced to surrender. I think I don't have anything else.
Yeah, I have game next turn. We can go next game if you want. Whatever you.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Next game?
I don't have anything I can do.
No. Alright, what would you like? First or second? I'll go first. You'll go first? Good luck.
Good luck.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
I did not shuffle. Wow. That's great.
Well, I power shuffle.
Bro, you're playing with Emad hands.
I did not shuffle very well either.
This is not very good.
No, I totally agree.
Power shuffle, by the way.
I guess you just hate
I'm
Imran.
just gonna end my turn. Go ahead.
You know, I might be on the same boat as you. I'm gonna draw for 10. It really depends on what this draw is right here.
Me too.
Oh. Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
I am, I'm not gonna do anything, I don't think. Okay, you make what?
That's my problem too. Like I can place stuff down, but it's not gonna do anything. Like, I can't get anything out.
I'm gonna set 3 cards.
All right.
And I will pass.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna draw.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start by setting Great Purrely Street.
Okay, so that one makes it so that I can't respond to an effect or something like that?
Yeah, you cannot target Purrely once to control with effects.
That we're special summon this turn.
Yeah.
Oh, it's special summon. Okay. I can't target.
I know what you have.
I can't
I've seen your hand.
I can't target them, okay. Fun.
I'm gonna go ahead and
When you still get to that.
I'm gonna do a really happy memory.
After your performance from last week, did you add anything?
Yeah, a lot of good stuff, but I'm trying to.
I'm gonna really happy memory.
Specials?
Yeah, it's
My pitching card?
For a fact,
yeah, my card, my cost.
Can I use it? Yes.
Discard one card.
If
so
the
someone
trigger
else-
is, if it's into red, which I think is shield.
I think I have to, because I literally. Yeah, I'm gonna ash.
Okay, you're gonna ash.
Yeah. I think I have to, because this card is crazy.
Show me the dice,
Oh,
baby.
right. Then I'm gonna end my turn. Go ahead.
Draw, please, please.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's a card.
It's a card for sure.
it doesn't send for cost. You keep the card in your hand.
Oh,
It sends for effect.
What's in my hand?
You'll be fine. Don't worry
I will
about
not.
it. You'll be fine.
For like 3 turns, maybe.
You'll be fine.
But if I can't do anything in those 3 turns, it doesn't matter.
It's only been 2 cards.
I don't know. It depends what you drop for turn. Who knows?
I believe in the heart of the cards. That's what I'm at right
He
now.
also believes in the heart of the brick. Big Brick.
I'm playing Brick Eyes right now, man.
Brick play.
I have a really bad play.
Then do it.
Normal summon a Purrely.
Okay.
Make spirit. Activate spirit effect. What does she do?
If you gain attack points of any monster you summon, basically.
Oh, but you don't get attack for this one, right? Because I already summoned this one. But anything afterwards, you
Yes.
gain attack. Of the attack points of the monster.
Yes.
So if I summon a Blue Eyes, you gain 3,000.
Yes.
Sure. So this is going to resolve still.
If I just Daruma the like
You
on
have
something,
Duel?
I wouldn't be able to play
I do
it.
not have no draw.
Or no, maybe
Thank goodness gracious for that. I'll activate Mausoleum of White.
Okay.
I'll activate effect targeting spirit.
Okay.
Which is like that's it. However, it's
It just sends Blue Eyes from deck to grave.
Right.
And this gains attack equal to the level of Blue Eyes times, I think, 100. So it gains 800 attack.
has to be in defense position.
What's that? 1100.
Oh, it's a fairy. It's
If I
Okay.
summon Blue Eyes, you gain all the life points.
Alright.
That's not very fun. But I think it might be like the only play I have. So I cannot target. Special summon.
You can target this. Actually, no, you can't. Not this turn. At least. The first time it's destroyed, it's not. Oh wait, no, it's not. Never mind. I lied.
So I can target that card.
Yeah, you can do this.
How many life points are you gonna give?
That's what he's trying to figure out right now.
Yeah, I'm doing the math.
Infinite.
I kind of need to.
You gotta do something.
so hold on. Turn player priority.
I love.
Okay. Activate effect special, so you'll gain 3,000.
Okay, I'm at
11.
11.
Effect can burn middle and then burn.
This is so bad.
Middle one.
I'll just enter battle, hit you for 3.
Okay.
So you're back at 8. I don't think I can actually play much further for him. I could go. Okay, Seal doesn't target though. You know what? Yeah. So I hit you for 3k. Main phase 2. I'll go War.
Okay.
Special from deck. So you gain the 3k back essentially.
Okay.
You gain the 3k back. So you're back at 11,000.
Alright.
This game. 600.
He's at 0, so it doesn't matter. And I will pass.
Okay, my turn. Can I read this thing?
Yeah, so basically it tributes itself, and I can return a face-up card you control to your hand. It doesn't target, which is important. And then when it's tributed, I can summon a dragon from deck.
Okay.
Cool.
I draw.
So you're 11,000.
Guess what happens now?
What?
Hey,
Nothing?
wait, give me a second. I'm going to set one,
Sure.
set one, set one. And then on my turn.
To set or switch.
On end phase.
Yeah?
A special impact.
Seal effect to bounce this to hand. Seal effect engraved to special.
I will go chase and one. Lovely, and that's it. To pop a card onto any Yeah. Lovely effect. Oh yeah. Haha. Sorry. Silly me, huh?
So you're gonna summon.
It does 0 attack, 0 defense anyway.
Yeah, no, we don't have to do that.
You can do that thing.
Okay.
Alright, I'll draw for turn. Oh, do you want to cut before I draw?
It's only gonna help you.
Does this have like targeting protection or
Turn?
something, or battle protection?
That could be good actually. I will go.
on every simulator, every guitar battle.
Activate Bingo Machine Go. So it has the effect where I reveal 3 cards from my deck that meet one of the criteria, which is either it's a Blue Eyes monster, or it's a Scholar Trap Armor that mentions Blue Eyes. And then I shuffle them and you pick randomly which one like that.
Oh, that's like my friend.
More or less.
Okay.
But
It's a weird
the
relic.
thing here is, I don't have any of my wishes, so I'm just gonna reveal 3. So it's gonna get to my hand.
Yeah, I'll just do some.
Alright, so it doesn't really matter which one comes. And then the other ones get shuffled. Yeah.
While you do that,
Okay, so if I special summon,
then I gain the attack.
but if I don't summon, you lose half your life.
Yes. So I mean, you could have. I'm gonna activate Wishes, discarding the Bureau for cost. I will add Maiden.
Yeah, for sure. Slowly. Plus, you're very prompt. You're very prompt.
Does that, do you get life points on my normal summons as well? Just specials, right?
Yeah, just special.
And it's special summon. By the way, it's special summon an effect monster.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So when you
So when I summon boys, you didn't gain the 3K.
Okay, so then
So
I'm
you're
just
at
at
8K.
yeah,
Instead of 11, you're at 9.
you're good. All right.
I'm gonna add Sage then.
It's the same effect. That's the first
time
So hold on. So you're attaching to the searcher.
I might go back in, but just in case. I'm
I've
gonna
never break this badly in the history of using this.
normal summon Sage, activate effect Surge.
Yeah, you target and then it attaches and then bounces. So hang on.
Can I check your graveyard?
Yeah. You
So
can take a look.
search.
Here, I can spread it out for you.
It happens the same change. The bounce will happen before it changes. Bounce.
Yeah, that's good.
So I'm gonna add Maiden. Can?
Alright. That's fine. I know what you have now.
Cool.
So that's good.
I feel like you have something to stop my graveyard, which doesn't. I don't know. Points up the graveyard? I don't like.
Yeah.
I will go. He's already at 0. Is the effects negated for him? No, his effects are negated. I'll make it link 1. So you're gonna need 300 life points?
That's not already right?
There is one in my graveyard.
Alright, I'm gonna call my.
So you can do both. So something.
Can't summon Duel. You're gonna go by the grave this, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Okay.
I'm just gonna remember.
Alright, I'm gonna use Maiden from hand to activate a trap.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
I'm gonna activate True Light.
I'm not dead, am I? Can I read that?
This is a game and a half.
This is a game and a half.
And I do gain 150. And a 300, yeah, so I'm at 83.
Do you get half your phone effect?
That's false.
Yeah, so 300. So you're 83.
And I don't get my life points half. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably give you some decent life points. I'm gonna activate True Light effect to special this from here.
Okay.
And then because it was summoned, I'm gonna activate it to summon herself.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's okay, I can fix it.
I didn't.
No, it's not an issue. Yep, we're good. I'm going to... I'll activate Mausoleum effect to boost his attack
Alright.
by sending a Blue Eyes. So this is at 3,800.
I'm cooked.
The question is, I don't know if I can game you.
It's unaffected by monster effect. No, by card effect.
Since can he gain?
Are you?
I'm under that. I'm under
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So you're not giving me anything.
That's fine.
Are you calculating life? Yes.
Yeah, he's at 30. He's at 83.
83.
83.
Yo, you want to see these face downs? They're like,
I watched you set them.
yeah. Best face downs in the game, right?
Answer battle?
Okay.
3,800? 300? So that's
5K.
That's no 51, and you have 30,
Oh, you're at 3,800.
38
Yeah.
plus 3, so you have this is 41. Minus 83, so you're at 42. You're at 42. Correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Main 2, I'm gonna activate Seahorse effect to make him a level 3.
Okay.
You're gonna gain 35 back.
All right.
I mean,
So I'm
can
getting
do it.
35 then.
so you're back to 42 plus 35 is
It targets
76.
the player.
76.
In the last part.
I will pass.
Okay, then I'm gonna draw.
See if that does.
Set strike Purrely Street.
Sure.
Then I activate Darker. No, I'm just kidding.
Could be crazy.
No.
What was that draw?
Is
that a game winner?
It was nothing. Yeah, you're gonna get game on the next turn, right?
I for sure.
Yeah.
Also, I want to show you the reason this was crazy is because I drew triple imperm.
That's awesome. I love that. Yeah. No, I had Ghost Trick Shot and Purrely.
Good games.